A renowned group of 71 apartments that are known for their internal size, large balconies, and that are situated in a complex that sees itself far advanced from your typical 70s build. I am Trent Vivian and welcoming you to 31 Wellington Street, Mosman Park. Welcoming you to apartment 26, which is located on the 3rd floor and faces in a southwest direction. As you make your way around to the main living zone, you'll notice that it's been tastefully updated to fit any flexible living arrangement. It also flows directly outside to that large balcony I was speaking about with a fantastic leafy outlook. The bedrooms are both a decent size, with the master featuring inbuilt robes and both having double glazed windows. The bathroom has been tastefully renovated as well to align itself with modern expectations. Finishing off, we need to talk about the location. Just 230 metres to the Berlin Cafe for your morning coffee or authentic Italian, 450 metres to the nearest train and bus station, and 730 metres to the South Cottesloe Dog Beach. I look forward to showing you through shortly.